Oh, good afternoon, everyone. It's Derek at Lockie's Locksmith Services. Today we're going to have a look at this. It's an intriguing little rim cylinder lock. When I was having a bit of a clear out at my workshop, I found this one. I can remember it actually came off a medical room door where they kept the medications, and somebody had lost a key. What's intriguing about it is the back bit. Now, I've not seen anything like this in the UK before. If you look at the tail of it actually only moves in one direction, which is something else I've not seen. Inside here is a bit of a cam that stops it from working, and I don't know whether you can actually see this or not, but this nut comes off, and just inside there's like a little pin. Let me put this on. So on this you can just about see a little pin there, which is actually spring loaded. So what we'll do is we'll have a go at picking it. It's not that hard to pick, and then we'll take this off and you can see a little bit more about what I mean. So let's get this ready. I did think first of all that this might be an American style lock, a schlage or a kwikset, but it actually fits a Yale profile. So I don't know where it's. I've had a quick look to see if you can find where you can buy them from, but so far I've not been able to find anything. Let's get that end there, see if we can do a little bit better. I'm just going to use a hook pick, very light tension on it. I've actually picked this loads of times. And of course we're on camera. There we go. And that's gone. And with this as well, it'll only go so far over, then it stops. It won't go all the way around like some of the other rim cylinders do. So let's just quickly take this out of the way, and then we'll have a look at the back of the lock here. So I'll just take this off. So easy, wind it back round. So what you've got to do is I've got to push this. There's a pin which is there, which stops it from moving. So that's the back of the cylinder. You can see that little pin there. This is what fits in the back of the cylinder. So the little pin actually jams it in position and controls which way the tail of the lock goes. Thank you.